Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and install of the GKU D600 Dashcam. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so again, this is the GKU D600 Dashcam. Says here that is 4K and Wi-Fi enabled. Also, for the 4K capability, it is only 4K when you use the front camera only. And then it has an enhanced night vision. It has a wide angle 170 degrees field of view. And then in here, if you're gonna use the dual dash cam mode, you're gonna get 2.5K in the front and 1080p in the back. It says here it's easy to share. Basically, if you're in an accident, you can easily send it to your own email probably, or send it to yourself. Again, that's good. So it's Wi-Fi enabled also. Come on, let's check what's in the box. Yeah, so nothing in here. Well, it says, what else do we have here? Well, it just have some Euro and other stuff here. UK says something about a UK address. Hamburg. It's made in China. So yeah, so probably these are like certification, but yeah, so it has this. So let's check what's inside. Again, very good packaging. So if we got manual, we got this film in here, basically that we use to stick on the glass. Then you have a warranty card, so 12-month limited warranty, lifetime technical support, and you can do a latest firmware upgrade. So it says here you can scan this QR code for email and WhatsApp. Right, so let's check the actual camera. I like this type of dash cam, the form factor. They're like lipstick type. Oh wow, this is different. Nice. I don't know if this is a cover or what, but yeah, I think the lens is in here somewhere. Okay, yeah, this is different. Is this adjustable? Yes, it is adjustable. Oh, the camera's here, not here. I'm looking at the back. Okay, silly. Okay, so yeah, so the lens, don't forget to remove the lens cover in here. So you have an adjustment, basically just up and down. So you don't have the side-to-side movement in here, but that's perfectly fine. So you can probably remove this. Yeah, I think this is removable, probably to align it perfectly fine. Yeah, so oh, it comes with a SD card. So it comes with a GKU Pro 64 gig micro SD card. Nice. All right, USB type C, and we have the port for the secondary dash cam. So that's nice that we got a SD card. That's nice. So there's a button in here, probably if you want to manually capture something, or power button. So I think this is a screen. We're gonna find out later. So I put that there. And we have here, we have the extra tape, extra double-sided tape. We got the secondary dash cam. This will run in the back. Awesome. So all right, good. It's a two-part. So we have the wire, basically, that you can freely wire in your car. And then we have the secondary dash cam, which will be placed in the back. So this is nice. Then we have the power adapter, so auxiliary, so it goes to your cigarette lighter. And then yeah, USB type C, and it has the pass-through power in there. That's good. And we have some clips in here, cable holder, what else, and a pry tool. All right, that's it basically. Now let's go in the car. Again, very straightforward install. Yeah, but let's proceed. All right, so first of all, we need to stick our static film on the windshield, and we're going to place it here. Okay, so just make sure you have a clean glass, wipe it down just to make sure you have a clear good adhesion. So, see, I messed up already. But yeah, so whatever. So just ignore the wobbles. So if they can be seen on the camera. So yeah. So just clean it up basically, don't rush things up. And then one thing we're gonna do is we're gonna position the dash cam. So we're just gonna position this one here. I'll put it here. Okay. And then we'll do the wire in a moment. So we're going to stick it up now in here. So just put some pressure and a couple of seconds here. So yeah, that should be fine. And then what are we gonna do next is we're going to wire it. So in my case, as you can see here, it's a little lower because I have another camera in here. But yeah, so again, for testing purposes, we're gonna put it in here. I like the slick design of this one. It is similar to my DD Pi that I've used in my other cars. But yeah, it looks nice. So we're gonna check the footage later. So for the cable, so simple USB type C basically. So with the wire, it's gonna run here, up here, and towards the headliner here, between the headliner, going to the A pillar, okay, then going down, and then we're just gonna plug it in we're just gonna plug it in here. Okay, so very easy, very straightforward. So let me just complete this. All right, so for this we need to go to our app store, and then let's type in Jarvis Cam, and we need to download it. Okay, once that's installed, of course we're gonna open it. So let's just accept. Need to add camera, just do that. Allow, again, add, next. So connect it to the Wi-Fi. This case, it's the GKU D600. Password will be 1234567 8. Click join, and once we connect to it, I'm gonna go back to the app. Okay, and it should connect, and it says also on the screen, please format SD card, which is what we're gonna do. Format, confirm, good. Let's see if there's any firmware. And I cannot click at that. But yeah, let's go back. As you can see here, it's green because I did not remove the lens cover plastic. So there you go. Probably I need to do some adjustment later before we go driving, but yeah. So as you can see here, it is, yeah. So settings, here you can do the sound recording, the volume of the speaker of the camera, you can put that to low. The resolution, again, you can set it up to whatever you want, 4K, 2.5K, and 1080p. Loop recording, I usually set that 1 minute. So every 1 minute it creates a new file. So anti-flicker, let's leave it as is. Timestamp, collision sensing, yeah, so it will automatically. So let's put that into high. Okay, so it will lock that file. It will not override it basically. So basically that's it. The Wi-Fi password, you can change that if you want to. So just leave it as is. You can change the name of the dash cam. Yeah, so you can do that. And then, so for camera files, so since it got some file, right? So all we have to do is download it, and it's downloading quick, very quick download. Yeah, that's one thing about smaller files, so you can download them. So view downloaded files, and then you can play it back. There you go. Let's exit. So that's one good thing about it. So let's no. Okay. So now let's connect the rear camera, and then we're gonna do a test drive later. All right. So everything is set up in here. I wired it through here, the C pillar going to the B pillar. Wire was placed underneath here, and then to the B pillar going to the A pillar. And then again on the headliner going to the dash cam. All right. So now let's do a test drive. All right, so I hope the sample videos are helpful. For me, the video quality is nice. Having great front and rear coverage, that's a good one, right? So just to let you know also that this dash cam is on sale at the time of this recording. I'll put the Amazon affiliate link in the description below for those who are interested. And also, we are giving away one GKU D600 Dashcam. All right, so if you want to participate, just comment hashtag FG4th. If you want to join, the deadline for entries is on July 3rd at 11:59 p.m. So just 1 minute before midnight of the 4th, okay? So we'll pick up and announce the winner on the 4th of July. All right, so again, guys, good luck. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.